Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I've got quite a few comments from people that are insiders that have received 26H1, which is kind of an interesting thing. So many have, had their latest builds, and the latest builds were showing up 26H1 when we know that regular folks like us, people are right now on 25H2 if you're not an insider, and the next update for everybody is pretty much 26H2. And it makes me wonder why Microsoft is actually using the 26H1 build number for insider rings that are on regular PCs. 26H1 is not meant to be for regular people that are on X64, Intel or AMD processors. It is really a unique build that is for the Copilot Plus PCs and the on ARM processor Windows 11 machines. So which means that what's being tested there is very weird. You're probably not testing a lot of the features that actually make it to 26H1, and some of them are probably only for 26H1. It's kind of weird. I don't understand the logic behind that 26H1 build test. It's so weird. So those that are on 26H1 are either insiders in the beta channel and insiders on the experimental channel. These have the ability to move to 26H1 right now, which, once again, I find odd. My machine has no build number on the experimental channel because I'm on the experimental kind of ahead thing. It's like looking into the future. I'm supposed to see things that are going to be way, way, way further in time. So this is, I don't know, this is weird, and there's no logic in having 26H1 tests on regular machines when 26H1 is not a thing. 26H1 is already out for ARM machines. It's been out for a while now, and we know that our machines are getting only 26H2. So for most of us, this 26H2 will come later this year, and then we'll have 27H2 next year. There are some people asking me about 27H2, and is it going to be a thing? Yeah, there's several hints that 27H2 is definitely going to happen next year. So this is going to be interesting. But yeah, very weird that the different insider channels, a couple of them are getting 26H1, which there's no real logic. Unless you would be in a Copilot or PC or Copilot Plus PC or a ARM device, there would be a logic there for testing that. But it's very weird. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.